Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'll show you how you can add product to your Shopify store. So first go to your Shopify admin panel and then on the left panel go to products and then here you will see add product or import. Just click on add product. Now here write your product title. Now in the description box here write the product description. Media, here upload your product image. Click on upload new and then select your product image. Category, here you can choose your product category. Pricing, here enter your product price. You can add tax on the product or you can untick this. Inventory management, tick mark this, then you will be able to track your quantity. Here type your SKU or barcode. Shipping, this is physical product or you can untick this if this virtual product. Product weight, here enter your product weight and then select kg, gram, or you can add custom information. Variants, so if you have different variant like different color, different size, then you can add variant. Just click on add option like size or color and then you will be able to add. Category, meta field, color, black, battery technology, lithium, okay, and other information you can add. And this is for search engine listing. You can customize this for SEO. After that, on the top right corner click on save. Congratulations, we have successfully added product. Now let's check our store. So we have successfully added our product. So that's how you can add product on your Shopify store. Hope that this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.